Welcome to Case Study Series in Strategy. Case study by skilled MBA Mpact Limited, a leader in Southern Africa's packaging industry, is at a sustainability crossroads. The company faces significant challenges, including public backlash against plastics, tightening government regulations, and strategic uncertainty. These pressures demand innovative solutions to balance business growth with environmental responsibility. Mpact Limited, a leader in Southern Africa's packaging industry, confronts significant challenges. Public backlash against plastics intensifies, while government regulations tighten. This creates strategic uncertainty, compelling the company to reassess its approach to sustainability and innovation in packaging solutions. Mpact Limited holds a dominant position in Southern Africa's packaging and recycling industry. Despite plastics being a major revenue source, the company is committed to sustainability through its recycling operations. This dual focus on profitability and environmental responsibility is crucial as they navigate the challenges of public backlash and regulatory pressures. Consumer sentiment is shifting, with increasing opposition to single-use plastics. The South African government is enforcing stricter environmental regulations, compelling businesses to adapt. Retailers and brands are now demanding sustainable alternatives, reflecting a market trend towards eco-friendly solutions. These pressures necessitate strategic adjustments to maintain competitiveness and align with evolving expectations. The recycling facility closure has disrupted operations, while the termination of curbside collections highlights low public engagement. Key clients are now exploring alternative materials, challenging Mpact's ability to maintain its market position. These internal challenges necessitate a strategic reassessment to align with evolving environmental and market demands. Mpact faces a strategic dilemma: balancing environmental expectations with financial health. The challenge lies in determining the speed of pivoting to sustainable practices without a market-ready alternative. This requires careful consideration of both environmental impact and financial viability to ensure long-term success. Accelerating research and development by investing in alternative materials can lead to sustainable packaging solutions, aligning with evolving customer demands. This approach future-proofs the business, but requires significant time and capital investment. Balancing these factors is crucial for long-term success. Strategic partnerships with government and non-governmental organizations can significantly improve recycling rates by enhancing collection and processing systems. This proactive approach not only boosts environmental efforts, but also reduces regulatory pressure, showcasing a commitment to sustainability. Such collaborations are essential for advancing industry standards and meeting the growing demand for sustainable solutions. Redefining Mpact as a circular economy leader involves reshaping public perception through strategic rebranding focused on sustainability. By influencing industry standards, Mpact can lead in developing new environmental benchmarks for packaging in Southern Africa. This approach attracts environmentally conscious consumers and businesses, appealing to the growing demand for sustainable packaging solutions. Lobbying efforts can shape favorable policies, while consumer awareness campaigns educate on sustainability. Diversification into new materials ensures adaptability, safeguarding against market shifts. Maintaining profitability in the plastic segment is crucial, balancing innovation with existing strengths. This strategy secures revenue streams while aligning with evolving environmental standards. Investing in research and development is crucial despite high costs and uncertain returns, ensuring long-term viability. A partnership approach requires complex coordination with external stakeholders. Rebranding must be credible, reflecting genuine change to avoid skepticism. Defending the status quo may yield short-term benefits, but increases long-term vulnerability, necessitating strategic adaptation. Sustainability is a financial imperative, not optional. As brand owners shift, suppliers must adapt. Delaying investment risks obsolescence, Balancing profit with purpose is crucial, aligning financial and environmental goals. This strategic approach ensures long-term viability in a rapidly evolving market landscape. Environmental concerns are reshaping market dynamics, compelling businesses to adapt. Stricter global regulatory frameworks demand compliance, pushing companies to innovate. First movers in sustainability gain a competitive edge, setting industry standards and capturing market share. This new business reality requires strategic foresight and agility to thrive in an evolving landscape. CEOs face the challenge of not just growing their companies, but evolving them responsibly. Sustainability has shifted from being a departmental concern to a strategic imperative. This evolution demands integrating sustainable practices into core business strategies, ensuring long-term viability and aligning with global regulatory expectations. Thank you, and for further inquiries or support, reach out via mobile at +91 87553000795 or email at support@skilldmba.com. Visit our website at https://skilldmba.com for more information.